Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the Pop Race PR64 number 42, the 992 Stinger GTR, and this is number 164, not number 164 scale, yeah. Pop Race and scale 164, like I said, number 42, the 992 GTR. So yeah, you can see the illustration from the side right here. The car should be in a sort of like matte goldish yellow color. So the car, the box, sorry, the right side is sort of like a creamish yellow sort of color, whereas on the left it should be some sort of I'd say a bit of a tan color, I would say, maybe, or is it a peach color? I'm not sure. Tan, I think a tan color most likely. And over here, Pop Race, your socials, you have your Pop Race car right there, 992 Stinger GTR PR64 number 42. There's the bottom, and over at the back, over at the back right here, warnings, your barcodes, and Pop Race, blah blah blah. There's your car, ages 14 and up. Let's go ahead and open this one up. So it is a Porsche, if you don't know. This is a Porsche 992, supposedly, I think. It looks just to be like a Carrera, but then it's the Stinger version, so it has to be most likely kind of different. On the back. So if you don't know, here is the Stinger 992 Stinger GTR. Not sure why there's a GTR, but okay. So it's sort of like in this matte finishing right here, which looks nice. Sort of like a gold sort of color. Love that color scheme right there. And doesn't just apply to the body of the car, it does apply to the rims as well. Love the color right there. It's just really nice. Love the casting. It's so cool. Porsche fans will really love this. Since this is a Stinger GTR, this is basically a different type of body kit, as you may know. It's not totally a Porsche. And if you don't know, actually this model, this casting has been released previously, not only in this chrome, not chrome, but matte sort of gold color. We've seen it a couple of times released before. One would be in carbon black with green accents, and then really carbon black and red accents, and then we had a carbon brown which looked ugly, and now we have a sort of like a matte gold sort of color, which is nice. 992 Stinger GTR. Now if you do notice, this car does not have the Porsche logo anywhere on the car, because yeah, this is basically a different sort of body kit, so cannot really have the Porsche licensing, don't it? So yeah, basically you will not get the Porsche licensing, as you can tell. But then the base model is still a Porsche, and I believe it should be either a 992 Carrera or 911 Carrera. I'm not entirely sure, but looking at the body, yeah, it should be a 992, I believe. So yes, we have the Stinger GTR, which looks gorgeous in this matte, sort of like a goldish color, which looks great. Now many people love this color. I don't know whether there's a real scale model, like one-to-one real replica of this car or not, but yeah, it looks great in 164. Really do like it. I don't know what's the body kit called for this one, or maybe it's a Stinger body kit, I'm not entirely sure, but I believe it is, should be. Yeah, definitely looks awesome. Love the details on this car. Let's take a close look at our 992 Stinger GTR as we take a close look. So here it is, the nice looking Stinger right here in this matte gold finishing right here. We start off from the rims. So we have I believe should be 10 spoke rims, which are in this matte gold sort of color. Like I said, comes with rubber tires, as you can tell. And yeah, you know, pot race, normally if they have these sort of tires, well, when it comes to pot race, they don't really come with the disc brakes, sadly. Then they yeah, still look great, especially with the rims. Love to see those here. Love the rims right there. You have some intakes right here on the side. We have the door handle right there. You have some black sorry, not design, but sort of like a black trim on the side right here at the bottom. Some more intakes right there. Very cool. You have a rubber, yeah, it's a rubber blacked out side mirror right here, colored in black, sort of like a matte black side mirror, which is nice. You have the gas cap here at the front. Interesting. So you can see that it's sort of like modified as a body kit, as you can tell. Gorgeous. Moving towards the front right here, we do have the front bumper of the car, but of course no Porsche logo. We do have some intakes right here at the front, and also the grille detailing as well. You have the front splitter right here, colored in black, which is cool. Some details here and there, very cool. And you do have the circular headlights right there, transparent and lensed headlights right here, which are nice. And you have the hood of the car, which is nice, quite long, and you can see that there are some intakes right here as well on the hood. Regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, blacked out seats, and also it is left-hand drive. Very nice. Blacked out dashboard as well. Roof overall nothing much, still pretty nice. Over on this side, yeah, pretty much empty, very clean, and yeah, love it with the color that it comes with right here. Then moving towards the back, you have the rear window, some intakes here at the back, and then you have this small little rear spoiler colored in black, plastic I believe, yeah. Sorry, not blacked out spoiler, but a carbon fiber spoiler, if you can tell. So yeah, carbon fiber spoiler, red tail lights right here, one whole strip of a rear light right there, very nice. I believe some side blinkers as well. And yeah, again, no Porsche logo, if you can notice. Some more intakes at the bottom right here. You have some exhaust tips, and is there a diffuser? Yes, there's a small little rear diffuser right here at the bottom, which is nice, I guess. Black metal base right here. Pot race made in China. Basically, that's it. Overall, very nice design. Love the color of the Stinger. I didn't really get to buy the black and green version, although that came with a carbon body, exterior look. I didn't really buy that version at all, so I bought this version, which is to me it looks kind of more basically way cooler, to be honest. Really do love the color that it comes in, matte gold finishing. Love the design of the car, headlight and rear light details, the rims, which are the same color as the body of the car. And yeah, basically that's all to say about this car. Overall, wonderful casting. Hopefully Pot Race will continue to do these sort of models as well. And yeah, I really do like it. And yeah, there you go, that's my review of the 992 Stinger GTR made by Pot Race. I guess that's all for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching some other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.